Never force friendships, because friendships are things that come naturally to you, and they are one of the most important relationships with humans in your life that you will ever have. Okay, friends are supposed to back you up, they are supposed to be your emergency calls, they are supposed to be there for you. They are the people that are supposed to care for you in this cruel world. So choose friends wisely. Hi guys, my name is Sakshi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about friendships and how they affect your life. Okay, so I have had a lot of friendships in my life, right? Everyone has friends from their childhood, and leaving the odds, कुछ लोग के नहीं होते, but I have had a lot of friendships in my life. I have met a lot of great people, and I have also have to let go of a lot of people, because when you grow up and as you change, you start outgrowing people and you start not matching with people. You start becoming a different person because you start realizing who you are, and then you have to leave the people you have outgrown. So today I want to talk about friendships. First of all, अगर तुम्हारी किसी से वाइब नहीं बन रही है, you don't have to force a friendship. You just don't have to force a friendship just because you're a nice person. Just because you're a nice person, it doesn't mean you just have to go along with the person everywhere. जहाँ भी वो बोले वहाँ चले जाओ, जो भी वो बोले वो कर दो. No. Stop that people pleasing. You deserve more than that. And if someone is not seeing that you are not comfortable doing it and they're not stopping it, then you should get out of that situation, because you deserve more. You deserve someone that you can vibe with. And just because you do not vibe with someone, it does not mean that you are a bad person. It just means you don't vibe with them. Have standards in friendships. Standards are not just for relationships, standards are there for friendships also. You get what you hope for. Have high standards, okay? Make a list of your specific standards कि मुझे ये चाहिए friendship में, and then do not settle for anything that is not that. Because when you will settle for something that you do not want, something that you want will never find its way to you, because now you are occupied with something that is not for you. You are occupied with something else, so you do not have space for the thing that is actually meant for you. Stop dealing with people you do not like. That's it. You do not have to like every single person. Not everyone on this earth likes you, so you do not have to like everyone else just to show or just to prove that you're a good person. You are a good person at your heart. You know that. That is enough. You don't have to go liking every single person just to prove that you're a good person. You do not like to have everyone. You do not have to like everyone, and not every single person on this earth deserves to be liked by you, because they do not carry the same energy as you. They do not know what it feels like to have the energy that you have. They do not know what it's like to be in your place. They do not know what it's like to be you. Stop expecting people to be as nice as you. They are never going to have the same heart as you, because they haven't gone through experiences that you have. They haven't been shaped by experiences that have shaped you. You people do not have the same experiences, and they do not know what it is like to be hurt like you were hurt. So do not expect people to have the same heart as you. अच्छे लोग नहीं है ज़्यादा इस दुनिया में, okay? And I'm proud कि तुम हो. So stop expecting people to be as good as you. I know it hurts. I know it hurts and frustrates you कि why people are not like you. Why do they not have empathy for you? They simply don't, and they never will. So stop expecting good out of someone negative. Stop expecting your hopes out of someone who is simply not meant for you. They are not for you for a reason. And when you have these standards, just do not settle for anyone that comes your way. There are going to be so many people who are going to come your way. Not every single one of them is going to be for you. So stop expecting people to be yours, even before you know what they've been through, even before you know what kind of person they are. Not everyone is for you, and not everyone deserves you and or your energy. You carry a great energy, and if you know that, stop spreading it, stop spending it on every single person you meet. Save it, okay? Save it for the right person, save it for the right friend, save it for the right moment, because not every single person who comes in your way is going to be for you. The universe is going to test you, it is going to test your standards, if you're really real with it or not. If you respect your own standards, if you respect yourself, you're going to stand up to the standards you have. If you respect yourself, you will respect your standards, and you will wait for the right people, because you are not for everyone, and you know that. And you know that this mind of yours and this heart of yours is not for every single person who comes into your life. So wait, okay? I know it feels lonely. I know it feels like there's no one on this fucking planet that understands you. But there is someone who will understand you. You just have to start understanding yourself. You just have to start enjoying your own journey by start understanding yourself and accepting yourself and loving yourself. When there is no one in your life, when you feel like there's no one in your life who understands you, try to understand yourself. Try to empathize with yourself. Try to be kind and nice to yourself. Because I know that 90% of the time you're feeling lonely, left out, is because you are leaving yourself out on all the love that you have to give. You are just not giving yourself the love you have for others. You just, तुम बस उस लव को अपने दिल में रख रहे हो दूसरों को देने के लिए. You have to give it yourself first, because you deserve it more than anyone. You have lived such a hard life. You have gone through so many experiences that have shaped you, that have given you such a big heart, and that have expanded your empathy beyond measure. You deserve it, because you have gone through those things. You have expanded your own empathy. You have expanded your own heart. So you deserve it more than anyone. So I hope कि तुम वो प्यार दिल में ना रखो उन लोगों के आने के लिए, उन दोस्तों के आने के लिए जिनके लिए तुम like ड्रीम करते हो, fantasize करते हो. Give it to yourself. You do not have to savor it. You don't have to save it until they come into your life. You deserve it. Like, you deserve it. Give it to yourself. And I know it's really hard to wait for people, and it really frustrates you that if there is no one in your life who prioritizes you. So prioritize yourself. So put yourself on number one, so that अगर कोई तुम्हारी life में आता भी है, and if they don't put you number one, you don't feel bad. You're like, okay, anyways, I didn't cross my own boundaries. I did not do anything out of my limits. I did not give you more than I was giving myself. So I do not feel bad. Create that life. Build that life. जहाँ तुम खुद को इतना दे रहे हो कि तुम जब कोई और तुम्हें वो चीज़ नहीं दे रहा है, तो you're not feeling bad, because you already have it, because you gave it to yourself. Set standards in friendships. They will save you. Okay? Have friendships that only get the best out of you, that give you what you give them. I will tell you a story. I was in school, ठीक है, 4-5 लड़कियां थी. They were my friends, surface level friends, but वो बहुत टाइम से दोस्त थे, and they were my only friends at that particular time in my life. And they were kind of bullying me, like in a very jokey way, कि jokes है भाई, बुरा क्यों लग गया. And then they were putting it on me कि मेरे को क्यों बुरा लग रहा है, because मैं क्यों नहीं सकती उनकी तरह, I'm a very sensitive person, and I do not like the way that they talk to me, because I did not talk to them that way, and I did not like the way they were talking to me. So I was like, यार ये क्यों है ऐसे, like मेरे अंदर कोई कमी है क्या? I was questioning myself, I was doubting myself, but I let them go after a period of time, and मुझे बहुत time तक guilty feel हुआ. लाइक मुझे 1-2 साल बहुत गिल्टी फील हुआ, यार वो तो इतने अच्छे लोग थे, मैंने क्यों छोड़ दिए, वॉज इट रियली माई लॉस? नो, it wasn't. They were kind of pulling me, they were crossing my boundaries again and again when they knew that I didn't like that. And जब उन्हें actually पता लगा कि मुझे वो चीज़ नहीं है पसंद, so they stopped talking to me, like in a way कि they're not my friends anymore. And उन्हें like chill बातें भी बंद कर दी उन्हें, like उन्हें लगा कि अगर मैं ये बात नहीं पसंद करी तो बात ही क्यों करेंगे मेरे से. I don't care. I am at a point in my life right now where I do not care, and this was 2 years, so I know कि मैं कहाँ से कहाँ तक आई हूँ. And then I let those friends go. I had a best friend at that time, 2 years best friend, ठीक है. 3rd year में आके I had to let her go too, because it wasn't healthy, and I realized that this is not good for either of us. I let that go. At that point I had no best friend. Okay, I had 2 friends from college, 2-3 friends, around 4 friends from college. One was not that close, and they were just friends for me at that time. And now I spent 2 years with them, and now I'm like, they are my friends, you know, they are my best friends. 2 of them are my best friends. So जो लोग तुम्हें नहीं पसंद करते या फिर तुम उन्हें नहीं पसंद करते, यू डू नॉट हैव टू फोर्स योर सेल्फ टू बी इन दैट फ्रेंडशिप. मेरे को गिल्टी फील हुआ. नो, वन ऑफ देम रीच्ड आउट, ओके, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स आई हैड लेट गो ऑफ, एंड आई रियलाइज्ड कि मैं आई वॉज नॉट मिसिंग आउट ऑन एनीथिंग. आई वॉजंट मिसिंग द राइट पर्सन, because when that energy entered into my life and I was like, fuck, I don't need this, I don't want this. There is a reason that 17-year-old Sakshi let go of her, and I'm grateful. I am grateful to my bones that I let go of something that wasn't feeling right, because 1 year later I really feel that it wasn't right for me. You do not have to regret any single person you let go of. You hear me? God made you do that for some reason. And God's plan is never small than your own, okay? Your plan is never bigger than God's plan. And God did it for a reason. Those people are not in your life for a reason. So stop acting like you miss that person and that तुमने कितना बड़ा घोटाला कर दिया उन्हें छोड़कर, and that तुम तो बहुत धोखेबाज हो. नहीं हो भाई. You did something for yourself. You just feel guilty because you have never done something for yourself. You feel selfish because you don't know what self-love is. You have never put your own needs first. That is why you feel selfish, and that is why you feel like you betrayed someone. You do not betray people by choosing yourself. You betray yourself by choosing others over you. So stop betraying yourself, bro, okay? Just start focusing on what you need to do for your own mental health. Simple. इस दुनिया में बहुत कम सेन लोग बचे हैं, ठीक है. एंड आई वॉन्ट यू टू सेन. आई डोंट वॉन्ट यू टू बी इन सेन. आई डोंट वॉन्ट यू टू बी इन रिहैब 3 years लेटर, और बी इन लाइक, ऑफकोर्स थेरेपी सबको जाना चाहिए. आई डोंट वॉन्ट यू टू बी साइकोलॉजिकली डैमेज टू द पॉइंट where you have no point, you feel like there's no point in living. Do things for yourself. Keep doing things for yourself. I know you will feel guilty at first. Self love का first stage ही होता है कि जब तुम चीजें खुद के लिए चुनने लग जाते हो, you feel guilty. I felt guilty for a year. Now I don't give a fuck because I know those things were right for me. And if they were in my position, they would have done the same. They would have cut me off way before than I cut them off. So I did shit for myself. There's nothing to regret. You know what? अब तुमने अगर गलती करी भी है ना, तो अब गिल्टी फील करके कोई फायदा नहीं, क्योंकि वो गलती हो चुकी है. तुम बस आगे के लिए सीख सकते हो भाई. मतलब अब तुमने गलती करती है, हो चुका है सब. ना वो भुलाएंगे ना तुम भुला सकते हो. तो देयर इज नो वे इन फीलिंग गिल्टी. ओन अप टू इट. You did shit, okay, and you were in your right mind. We are just so conditioned that हमारी तो लाइफ ही नहीं है. मतलब सिर्फ हमारे पेरेंट्स स्मार्ट है, हमें तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है. हम तो अगर 18 या 17 के हैं तो हमारे पास दिमाग नहीं है. बहुत भाई, हमें बस बताया नहीं जाता. ठीक है, तो अपने डिसीजंस हम खुद ले सकते हैं, बट हमें इतना पैरों पे ही नहीं, हम इतने स्पॉइल्ड हो चुके हैं ना, इतना कंडीशन कर दिया है हमें कि हमें पता ही नहीं है कि अगर हमने डिसीजन लिया है तो वो सही है या गलत। अगर हमें थोड़ा 1% लगता है ना कि वो गलत है, तो 1 साल हमारा गिल्टी फील होने में ही चला जाता है। ऐसा नहीं होता ब्रो। When you made a decision, you made it in right senses. You were not high, and if you were, just leave this video. When you made that decision, you were not drugged. You were in your right senses. You made that decision for a reason. Own up to it. What the fuck? ठीक है? When you made that decision, you were in your right senses. Stop feeling guilty. Stop feeling guilty. That is it. Okay, stop feeling guilty. Make more decisions for yourself if needed, because keep doing that unless you stop feeling guilty, because you know कि अगर कोई मेरी जगह पे कोई और होता तो they would have not felt guilty and they would have done what's right for them. So you do what's right for you. Okay, have standards in friendship. बात ही मत करो उन लोगों से जो तुम्हें पसंद नहीं है, because why इतनी सी जिंदगी उन लोगों के साथ बिताओ ना जो तुम्हें अच्छे लगते हैं। वाई टू स्पेंड टाइम, अकेले रह लो, लाइब्रेरी चले जाओ, लाइब्रेरी में जाके बुक्स सेट कर लो, बट गलत लोगों के साथ मत रहो, उन लोगों के साथ मत रहो जो तुम्हें पसंद नहीं है, बिकॉज उतना टाइम तुम्हारा जितना अच्छा फील होने में जाएगा ना, उतना तुम्हारा घटिया फील होने में जा रहा है। तुम ड्रेन्ड हो, तुम ओवरवेल्म्ड हो, तुम एंग्शियस हो, तुम्हें ऐसा लग रहा है तुम घर जाके सो। ऐसे लोगों के साथ मत रहो, उन लोगों के साथ रहो कि भाई इनके साथ तो 1 हफ्ता बिता सकते बिना सोए, ठीक है? ऐसे लोगों के साथ रहो। डू नॉट स्टे विद पीपल यू डू नॉट लाइक। सिंपल, ठीक है? हैव स्टैंडर्ड्स इन फ्रेंडशिप, जो अभी मैंने बोला वो करो, एंड चूज योर सेल्फ विदाउट फीलिंग गिल्टी, बिकॉज किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता तुम्हारे बारे में। एट द एंड ऑफ द डे एवरी सिंगल पर्सन ऑन दिस अर्थ थिंक्स एंड स्लीप्स thinking about themselves. So they are not thinking about what you are feeling. They are not thinking about साक्षी क्या सोच रही है। तो I have to think about myself and I have to think कि मुझे कैसा लगेगा एंड मैं ठीक हूँ या नहीं, क्या मेरा दिमाग सही जगह है या नहीं। तुम्हें ये सोचना है तो तुम ये सोचो, ठीक है? बाकी थैंक यू इफ यू वॉच्ड दिस वीडियो, अ बिग थैंक यू कि तुमने ये वॉच करी। अभी मैं स्मॉल यूट्यूबर हूँ, बड़ी बनने में थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, बट मैं बन जाऊंगी। आई नो इन माई हार्ट मैं बन जाऊंगी। अच्छे लोग बहुत दूर जाते हैं। आई एम नॉट वेन, आई एम जस्ट अवेयर ऑफ माई ओन हार्ट एंड आई एम जस्ट अवेयर ऑफ माई ओन इंटेंशंस। नेवर फील गिल्टी। ये जो वर्ड्स है ना, सेल्फिश, वेन, ये बहुत घटिया लोगों के बने और तुम घटिया लोग नहीं हो, तो डू नॉट यूज देम फॉर योर सेल्फ।